Exercise 7, Insert and Format Pictures, part of the PowerPoint 2007 Exam Preparation Guide, brought to you by Shiftkey Solutions. In this exercise, we'll be looking at inserting a couple of pictures and formatting those pictures on our slide. The first step we want to do is come to slide 4, and this is a slide we inserted earlier. From here, we're going to come over to our content placeholder on the right hand side and notice that there are a few icons down here. The one we're going to come to is the Insert Picture from File. So if I click this, it'll open up our Insert Picture dialog box. From there, we want to navigate to our Student Data Files and then our Student Files PowerPoint 2007 folder. Inside here, we have a number of images to choose from. The one we're going to insert is the Business Person JPEG. So I'm going to click on that one time and then choose Insert. When I do, the picture is inserted into that placeholder. Now that I've done this, I'm going to take a notice that at the top in my ribbons, I have a new ribbon available to me. It's called my Picture Tools Format tab. And in this ribbon, I have actions that will modify or affect my image here, my picture. So I'm going to make sure that I'm on my Format tab, and in the Picture Styles group, I'm going to notice that I have my gallery here available to me. If I cursor over any one of these, it gives me a live preview of my image. Some of these are really great. One reason that we'll want to modify the picture is to make the slide a little more rich and inviting. So we're going to come over to the More button here in our gallery, click this, and we see the full list of styles that are available. The one we want to choose is the Center Shadow Rectangle. And if I cursor over any one of these, it gives me a name of what that is. Here's the Center Shadow Rectangle. So I'm going to click this, and you can see that it kind of pops the image off the slide to give it a three-dimensional look to it. Now I want to resize this picture. So I'm going to come to my Size group. With my image selected, I'm going to come to my Size group, and then in the Width box, I'm going to click inside there one time and just type 4. And then I'm going to press Enter, and it adjusts accordingly. Next, I'm going to come to slide 8. So I'm going to scroll down here in my slide pane, scroll down to slide 8, and click inside here. And then I'm going to come to my content placeholder on the right hand side and click Insert Picture. It takes me back to the folder I was last in. From here, I'm going to choose the hotel picture. And then click Insert, and there it is. With my image selected, I get my Picture Tools Contextual Format tab, and I'm going to come to my Picture Styles group. And the one I want to choose in this case is going to be the Metal Frame style. So let's cursor over these. Simple Frame White, Beveled Matte White, Metal Frame. There it is. So I'm going to click this one time, and it applies that style. If I click off of it, I can see the way it's going to display on my screen. From there, I'm going to come back to slide 1 and then save my work. In this bar here, I'll find my Save button. Do you remember the name of this bar right here? That's right. Well, if you said Quick Access Toolbar, you would be correct. I'm going to click Save, and that's it. That concludes exercise 7, Insert and Format Pictures. Next will be exercise 8, Insert a graphic as background to Slide Master.